My name's Todd Taburin. I've been with Alpenrose for approximately 10 years. I'm one of the electricians here at Alpenrose. I also run the anhydrous ammonia refrigeration system. We know that our major electrical usage is with our refrigeration plant, and we use that refrigeration plant for our production. When PGE approached us with the program, we did have some concerns about whether or not we would be able to participate. Being a production facility, we're actually using our refrigeration system for production purposes. So that demand on the load on that refrigeration system will swing from time to time, and it can swing dramatically. They sat down with us and asked us what are the different things that we can do as a facility to shed load. Our ultimate strategy with PGE was essentially to increase our pressures on our low side suction and our intermediate side suction, along with shutting down condensers, along with selected evaporators. That's taken out a lot of motors, and we presented that to PGE, and PGE came back and said those numbers work for them, and we'll give this a shot. The Energy Partner Program is great, and there's a couple different reasons why you'd want to participate. One, the check from the Energy Partner Program is great, but two, you really start looking at your system a lot differently. You start looking at it with an eye of efficiency. And when you start doing that, you start coming up with ideas and ways to actually reduce those energy costs. And when you reduce those energy costs, you're saving money. And you don't have to wait for an event to do that. Now you're saving money on a daily, weekly, monthly, annual basis. And you're becoming more efficient as a facility. We're able to access real-time data as to what our actual KW usage is. We can access it on our phones, on the web. Everybody in the shop has access to it, and it's great because now we know real time as to what we're using. If ice cream is running, we know that it takes more refrigeration to freeze, say, chocolate ice cream than it does for vanilla ice cream. Now we can actually dial in our refrigeration system and run our pressures at a more efficient pressure. Alpenrose has been around for 98 years. And energy costs, they're all increasing. And for us to be efficient and keep these costs down, Alpenrose will still be able to provide everything to the community that they always have, whether it's softball, bicycle races at the velodrome, Christmas in Dairyville, or even the race car tracks. You know, it'd be nice to see Alpenrose around for another 98 years and providing the community with the same services.